Yes, so Liverpool won, Chelsea won. We don't see how the game go. We don't see the game no easy. Both side try, and at last, everybody go out with 1 point. But we get one very evangelistic Chelsea fan with me here, making contact how he seen the match. Oga Mike, how far and how you see the game?
Yeah, greetings, brother. Greetings to all football fans all over the world. Today's match they very tough. It did very very tactical. Despite the controversy, despite the red card, Chelsea still hold on. But with Liverpool firepower up front, with their kind of strikers, the wingers, and Liverpool fans at Anfield. Remember, say Anfield, they a very difficult place to play football,
No be
especially when you
lie, no
can't
be
get
lie.
red card. I know see teams where you survive that kind of atmosphere and the kind of strikers, the kind of players in attack where Liverpool get. But big ups to Chelsea, good defense. And they always tell people say strikers go win you matches, but not defense go win you the league. But it's very good. It's very good for Chelsea fans and the Chelsea team as well.
All right, now no be lie. You talk something about controversy where happen for inside the game. Make we touch the controversy matter. We see say Rhys James get red card for that ball when come result of the penalty when Mo Salah take equalize for Liverpool. But how you see that incident, Oga Mike? You think say that ball na penalty and red card, or no na penalty, no be red card? How you see him?
I go talk as a football fan, not as a Chelsea fan now. Obviously, na penalty. But make reference to last season. At some point last season, I don't know if they don't change the rules, but the last time I checked, it has remained the same. If ball touch any part of your body before it touch your hand, there's every possibility that the referee might wave it away. But the reason why this one they very difficult was because say now goal line. It now goal line, and you can actually consider him as the last man as well. You
Yeah.
understand? So that's why the referee blow, or that's why VAR asked him to go check. Now the thing where can surprise me now when VAR asked the referee to go check, the referee check, and VAR only show the referee picture. They don't show the referee the video of how it happened. They don't show the picture say the ball touching hand, the ball touch with James' hand. With James an outfield player, he must always have reaction. You understand? When he raised in time, he must always have reaction. I know they say no be penalty, not penalty. But at that time, the red card, I think say na yellow card, trust me. But the rule, na the rule, and Moku just talk him the way he be. I go accept the red card. But honestly speaking, for me, I believe say na penalty and a yellow card.
All right, now no be lie. You don't talk how you see am, but you see talk say the rule na the rule. Me and you know say the rule be say once you prevent goal scoring
E-
chance like that, now you be
Exactly.
last man na red card. So, but no be lie
Exactly.
now. You don't talk about how you see am. But one thing when I see for the game be say Chelsea they play as a unit. Even with that one man down, we see how everybody know their work. Everybody do their work well. Even when person come up for one position, they see and say they make sure say Liverpool no get clear cut chances. So you talk about Thomas Tuchel and the tactics and everything. So credit to Thomas Tuchel and to Chelsea. So, but I want make we do the player rating real quick. Make we start with Edward Mendy. Now, what do you go rate him on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give Mendy 9. Very good
Mendy
today. Fantastic. Yeah.
he make many mistakes. All those shots where the Fabino they play right, left, center.
Yes, fantastic.
Now
And
they stop him.
it did very how would I say it now? In the commanding for the air for area
Yeah.
balls, because in tall in get height. Good. 9.
Okay, 9. Aspilaketa, what do you go give him?
8, very good. Very, very good. He command the defense well. I give him 8. Very good.
Okay, what about Christensen?
Christensen, they very underrated, but that guy is fantastic. Very, very good player. I'll give him 8.
8. Then what about Rudiger?
Rudiger 9. Very, very good. Very, very at some point he may make some kind funny mistakes in passes, but 9, very good.
Rich James, Uncle?
Rhys James, apart from the red card, he was very good at that time, but I'm not saying play the whole match, so I'll
Most
give him
part of the
7.
game.
Very
7.
good.
Okay. What about Jorginho?
Jorginho play football today. Jorginho mark well, make good passes, so I'll give him 7. Very good.
N'Golo Kante?
Golo Kante, play the full 90 minutes, but I'll give him 7 because at some point he makes some kind of mistakes, but his marking was excellent. I'll give him 7.
Then what about Alonso?
Alonso, and also make some silly mistakes today. But the way he take hold the ball, the way he take command the play and everything, I'll give him 8. Very good today. Very very good.
Kai Havertz and Mason Mount. What do you go give them?
Carver with him goal, I'll give him 8. Mason Mount, the way he mark, the way he makes some good passes and everything, I'll give him 8 because now he really holds that midfield down in terms of marking when the real defensive midfielders they support the defense. He really drop
Yeah.
deep. I'll give him 8.
Then what about Romelu Lukaku?
Remember Lukaku with him good hold up play, with the way he make one or two good chances, make good attempts rather. So I'll give him 8 as well. Good.
Okay, what about the substitute? Thiago, Kovacic, and Shaloba. What do you go give them?
Thiago Naiko solidify the defense. Very, very
Really.
good. Very, very commanding in the air. I'll give him 8. Kovacic, in there very good to hold the ball in the midfield, make some kind of good runs. I'll give him 8 as well. Then Chaloba, to play more than 10
2
minutes.
minutes.
I'll give him 6. Very
All right,
good.
now, no be lie. So before we go let you go, Oga Mike, now who be your man of the match for Chelsea?
Man of the match for Chelsea today. This one go cause small controversy, but
Knock out.
Mo dey very honest with the way Mason Mount take mark, with the kind of
Mm.
passes he make, with everything. With the way, now him play the corner kick now, yeah. Now him play the corner
I
kick where Kahava take score.
think so.
Mason
Probably,
Mount
yeah.
it will cause controversy. I know everybody gets their own
Yes.
opinion, but Mason Mount now my man of the match because of him marking. It was fantastic today with the way he mark, the way he hold the ball, in skills. I'll give him my man of the match.
All right, now no be lie. We don't hear from you, Oga Mike. Big up, Oga Mike. Thank you as to give us your time. And congratulations to you and all the Chelsea fans. And they know defeat that today now. And they say
Yes, sir.
instead of man to fall, making your own bed. So now own
No be
bed
lie.
today. And I carry 1
Yes,
point.
sir.
Come on. All right, now
Yes,
big
sir.
up, Oga Mike. You too much.
Thank you. Yeah.